5 months after 2 feet of tropical storm Chantal, floodwaters inundated a Saxapahaw church. They're well on their way to rebuilding, but they aren't back to celebrating in that sanctuary just yet. Melissa Rademacher joins us now, not from Saxapahaw United Methodist, but a neighboring church where, Melissa, the two congregations, they're helping each other through this holiday season.
Christmas Eve service is starting right now for people going to the Saxapahaw United Methodist service. That's for their pastor, Mandy Sayers. It is happening here at Concord United Methodist Church in their building. It's just down the road from the Saxapahaw building on the Haw River. And Pastor Mandy Sayers says their church home is getting pretty close to being back to normal. But in the meantime, they found a very welcoming neighbor and even created some new holiday traditions.
Concord and Mount Hermon too, that cooperative parish, and Pastor Trevor have really been so kind and really just reached out to us right away saying, you know, our home is your home for as long as you need it, and just let us know what you need.
Pastor Mandy Sayers says in the wake of devastating flooding to her church in Saxapahaw, there was hardly time to wonder what came next because so many neighboring churches reached out to help and offer space.
And in the Christmas season, it's just really humbling to be on the receiving end of so many gifts. And so in a sense, this has been the most special Christmas we've had in a while.
She says reconstruction of the Saxapahaw Preschool and Fellowship Hall is on track to wrap up at the end of January, and the sanctuary will be a few weeks behind that. For the past 5 months, they have found a larger community, celebrating their own services at Concord United Methodist, but also joining together for events.
We had what's called a love feast, which is kind of a Moravian tradition that we participate in yearly at Concord, and invited Saxapahaw to be a part of that for the first time. We did together a Blue Christmas, a longest night service for those who have had loss during the year between last Christmas. And so it really has been an opportunity for growth to really strengthen relationships with neighbors just down the road.
While Pastor Mandy says there's excitement to get back into their church home on the Haw River, they have forged a bond with neighbors through a tough time that will last.
While we can't really pay back the people and the places that have been so generous to us, we know that we can pay it forward. And that's really the essence of who we are as Christians, that we're loved so much by God that we have a full bucket from which to love others. And I think we have learned that lesson in this flood season.
The floors have been installed and walls are now going up this week at the Saxapahaw Children's Preschool rooms, as well as their fellowship hall, and their sanctuary is soon to follow. Pastor Mandy Sayers says she wants to plan a thank you block party and invite everyone who reached out to help when that church can officially reopen their doors. In Alamance County, Melissa Rademacher, Fox 8 News.